Welcome into SQ World. Today in this tutorial we will see how to download Java in a system. So let's start. Open Chrome browser and enter the download Java. Here you can view the JDK latest version 21.17. Click on Java downloads. Here multiple Java versions are available: JDK 21, JDK 17. We can install the latest JDK 21. It depends on you need to system in which systems. If you want to install the Java version in Linux system, so you need to install the Java from this section. If you want to install the Java version in Mac OS, then you can easily download from here. If your system is Windows based, you need to click on Windows, and here you can view 64 installer. Now click on this link. Downloading is started. Here you can view .exe file is started. After completing this downloading, we need to install the Java in our system. Multiple versions are available. Online documentation, you can view the documentations, how you need to install the Java in the system. You can follow the from instructions by using this link. Here are the release notes. You can easily view the latest versions of the Java, and here documentation license are available. By clicking on resources, you can also view the Java downloads and Java runtime environment. If you click on Java downloads, you can view, you will get the same page like Linux, Mac, and Windows screens. After completing this download, we will install the Java in a system. You can also verify the Java is successfully installed in your system by using a command. You just need to type the command in CMD, and you can easily find out whether the Java is successfully installed in your system. It's almost done. Click on this .exe after completing downloading. Setup will start. Click on yes. And now you need to click on this next button and then next. Copying new files. Now just click on this close button. how we can verify that Java is successfully installed in our system? So let's verify cmd Java version. Here you can view the latest Java version 21 is successfully installed in our system.